Hi mga puyat, Nikki here, and today I'll share with you 5 pro tips on how to handle irate customers like a boss. Alam naman natin na dealing with angry customers can be so stressful. But with the right mindset and skills, you can turn negative experience into a positive one. Kaya, let's dive in. Unang-una, dapat kalma lang. Alam ko minsan mahirap lalo na kung sinisigawan na tayo ng customers natin, nagiging unreasonable na sila at ramdam na ramdam mo yung galit sa mga bosses nila. Pero lagi mong tandaan na hindi sila sa'yo galit. Galit sila sa situation. So, ikaw, kontrolin mo yung emosyon mo, inhale, exhale, at panatilihing neutral ang tone mo. Kasi kapag kalmado ka, mas madali silang magto-tone down. Number 2, makinig ka ng maayos. Hindi lang basta rinig dapat intindihin mo. Kasi most of the time, yung mga irate customers natin, gusto lang nilang ilabas yung sama ng loob nila. So, ang dapat mong gawin, gumamit ka ng mga empathetic phrases like, I understand why you're upset and what you're feeling right now is valid. So, ipakita mo sa kanila na you're really concerned at hindi ka lang basta-basta nagbabato ng mga scripts. Number 3, owning the problem and taking responsibility. Remember, you don't have to apologize for things na hindi naman kasalanan ng kumpanya or hindi mo naman kasalanan. But owning the issue and showing that you're committed in finding a solution can make a huge difference. You can say, I can see how this situation is frustrating and I'm here to make sure we fix it for you. This would make your customer feel that they have the right person with them and that they are heard. Number 4, once you've acknowledged the issue, let's focus on solutions. Alamin natin kung ano talagang kailangan ng customers natin. And if we can't resolve it right away, let's offer alternatives. Our customers would appreciate that we're doing everything we can to help them. Number 5, know when to escalate. Minsan, kahit ginawa na natin yung lahat, hindi pa rin satisfied yung mga customers natin. Dito papasok yung escalation. Politely inform your customers that you are going to pass them to a supervisor to better assist them. Mas maigi to compared na ipipilit mo yung sarili mong ayusin yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo naman talaga kayang i-handle. At yan ang 5 tips on how to handle irate customers like a boss. Sana ay may natutunan kayo. At kung naghahanap ka ng trabaho, download Job Yoda app now at huwag mong kalimutang gamitin ang ating referral code #BayaningPuyat. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.